Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Okay, today in this video lesson, I'm going to teach you grammar. Okay, already we have started grammar. In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you grammar. The topic is describing words or adjective. Okay, grammar is very important. Okay, don't think either it will come for your exam or not. Don't think that this is very important for you. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you adjective, describing words or adjective. Okay, what do you mean by adjective? Okay, adjective means uh, it's modify the noun. Adjective is a word which modifies the noun. Understand? It describes the noun. So adjective plays a very important role in English. Okay, in sentences. So it will describe the noun. So if you see the example, then you will understand. Arun is a brave boy. Arun is a brave boy. So here you know the meaning. Arun is a brave boy means he has, what is that, very brave boy. So Arun is a noun. Okay. Is a verb, you know that. Brave is the adjective. Brave is the adjective here. Why brave is adjective? Because it describing the boy, how the boy is. Okay, the boy is very brave. So it describing the noun, we called it as a adjective. So brave is the adjective. Boy is the noun. Boy is the noun. So usually adjective will come before the noun only. So next example we are going to see. Okay, what is that? He killed. He killed a big snake. He killed a big snake. So automatically you know that. So snake is a noun, is a name of a animal. Okay, snake. So how the snake is? The snake is big snake. So it describing the noun. So big is the adjective. So big is the adjective. And then snake is the noun. So wherever in a sentence, if you find the describing words about the noun, we called it as a adjective. So first sentence, Arun is a brave boy. Boy is a noun. Brave is the adjective. Second sentence, he killed a big snake. Snake is a name. Okay, name of your animal. So snake is a noun, big is the adjective. Okay, so adjective in a sentence we can see so many adjectives. Okay, so what is that? The bold Arun is a brave boy. He killed a big snake. So they are called describing words. You can understand that. That describing the boy. Okay, brave is describing the boy. So we call it as a adjective. So it's describing the snake, how it is, big or small. So big is the adjective. Understand? So now in that adjectives we from the word we can compare. Okay, we can comparison. There is a comparison. For example, describing words can be used for comparison. So these adjective words can be used for comparison. Okay, can be used for comparison. How? How we can compare that? Now we can see that. Okay. So for example, large. So large, he has a large scale. Okay, scale is the noun, large is the adjective. So here large is the positive degree. Large is the positive degree, and then larger. Larger is the comparative. Larger is the comparative degree, and then largest is the superlative degree. Okay, understand? So from the words, from the adjective words, we can compare. Okay, from the adjective words we can compare the comparison. So for example, large is the positive degree, larger is the comparative degree, largest is the superlative degree. So these are all we call it as adjective words. Okay, adjective words, but it can be used in a different way according to the sentence. Okay, what we need, how we want to express that, it will differ. Okay, so large is a positive, larger means if you are comparing to another thing, if you are comparing to another person, we can use this larger, comparative. Largest means superlative degree. There is no comparison. They are the highest position. Okay, that is superlative degree. So these are the adjective words we are separating as positive, comparative, and superlative. Understand? So describing words. Did you understand? So describing words or adjectives. Okay, this is the topic. So first example what we have seen, Arun is a brave boy. Brave is the adjective. He killed a big snake. Big is the adjective, because it describing that, it describes the thing, it describing the person. So we called it as a describing words or adjectives. So describing words can be used for comparison also, can be used for comparison also. What is that? Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. So in positive degree we can, for example, large. Okay, we can say this word as large. Comparative degree means larger, and then superlative means largest. Understand? And then there are some words, for example, big, bigger, biggest. Okay, so always in a comparative degree you have ER, and then in superlative degree EST. Okay, for example, ER, EST, the same will come. But in some sentence we don't have that. Okay, in some sentence we don't have that, it will come differently. For example, what is that? More and most. Okay, we can use that more and most, more difficult and most difficult. Understand? So this is a very, very easy topic, adjective. So all should see the video 1 or 2 times. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask through my mobile. Okay, inshallah we will I will see you in next class. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.